The word partnership is not something I really understood until, it's something that has really come to me over time. So partnership, it's a word that, like you said, it gets thrown out all the time and everyone wants it, but no one really knows what it means, or most people don't know what it means. So partnership to me is when two or more companies or people come together and they have a shared vision, they have a shared goals, and they have shared values. And these guys come together, or these people come together with a shared vision, goals, and values with the purpose of doing something great together. And so when we talked about partnerships as it relates to janitorial, it's super common that people have a shared vision and goal. Like I probably could go to any one of my customers and say, what do we have in common for a vision and goal? We're gonna say, well, we want a clean building, we want our costs to be low, we want our work orders to be at a minimum. So that's really common. But partnerships are not common. So what's missing? And so what's missing is that shared values. So if you don't have shared values along with your shared vision and your shared goals, then you don't have a partnership. And if you don't have a partnership, then what do you have? Well, if you look up what is the inverse of a partnership, it's war, it's divorce, it's separation. So for us, talk about picking which customers we are going to do business with, is we need to make sure that those customers have the shared values. So when we sit down with our customers, we spend the first hours making sure that there's value alignment before we even decide if we can work with them. And if there's value alignment, then the rest of the stuff usually will shake itself out.